In this exercise, I'll use the pattern and mirror commands to create a two-sided turbine from the base and blade you see here. Since the order that the features are created in is important to minimize the number of features, I'll pay special attention to potential issues as I add these features. With that in mind, I first want to finish the blade by patterning the cut along it. I'll enable the Pattern on Path command. And since I'm patterning a cut extrude feature, I'll set the pattern type to Pattern Features. I'll select Extrude 2 from the timeline as the object to pattern, and the curved edge of the blade for the path. I'll set the distance to 80 millimeters and the quantity to 10. Then click OK to add the feature. The blade is now completed, so I could either mirror it in the body now, then pattern the blade on both sides, but since I want the blades to be symmetric, best practice would be to do the mirror last. I'll enable the Circular Pattern command and make sure the pattern type is set to Pattern Bodies. I'll select the blade body as the only object and the circular edge of the base as the axis. I'll increase the quantity to 15, and since I won't be suppressing any instances, I'll click OK to create the pattern. Finally, I'll enable the Mirror command. And once again, make sure Pattern Bodies is selected. I'll switch to the top view on the view cube and window select all the bodies as objects. For the mirror plane, I'll select the bottom of the turbine base and click OK to complete the mirror. With the turbine structure complete, I'll right-click on the component name from the browser and select Physical Material. For this model, I'll expand the metal folder and drag the aluminum material onto the model. I'll close the dialog box. Then right-click on the component name in the browser once again and select Properties this time. If the features were created correctly, the mass of the model should be 4,293 grams.